Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that your device isn't compatible with this version error on Android. If you're facing this issue while trying to install an app from the Play Store, don't worry, just follow these simple steps. The first thing you need to do is access the Play Store settings. Long press on the Google Play Store app icon. Tap on App Info from the pop-up menu. Scroll down and tap on Storage and Cache. Now we will clear the cache and storage to refresh the Play Store. Tap on Clear Cache first. Then, tap on Clear Storage and confirm by pressing OK. This will reset the Play Store settings and remove any issues related to app compatibility. Next, let's force stop the Play Store to apply the changes. Go back to the App Info page. Tap on Force Stop and confirm. This will restart the Play Store and refresh its app database. Now, let's make sure your Play Store is up to date. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings about Play Store version. If an update is available, install it. Now, search for the app that was showing the error and try installing it again. Open the Google Play Store and search for your app. Tap Install and check if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, try restarting your device or updating your Android version. That's it. You've successfully fixed the device isn't compatible with this version error in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next one.